much did you pay for this car?
Well, just pulled the cover off the Mark II after over a year of sitting.
Hasn't even washed it, it still looks clean as. It's so tidy. Mine needs a bit of a... Because you cut and polished it before you put it away, eh?
Yeah, full cut, polish, wax.
I need to do that to mine.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's actually pretty fat.
It pops, yeah. It's a little out of place now though, because we need to do all the rest of it.
Yeah, so obviously we just powder coated that. Yeah, I didn't think the red would go that nicely, but just how handy that red is, it's actually quite cool. But yeah, the camera obviously doesn't pick it up.
Yeah.
But
The only other colour we had was what? Jet black, so...
yeah. We just wanted to try something for the sake of it. Boy, oh boy.
Yeah, and I didn't even drop a oil since it's been sitting, nothing.
Good old JZ, eh? Yeah, it looks mint in the sun. You forget how good they look in the sun, eh? Like, even mine I haven't had out in the sun for a while. I mean...
I forgot like how sparkly the actual like paint is.
Even my one, like the last event I went to, the last time I had it outside, it was like overcast anyway, so I haven't even seen mine out in the sun in a long time.
Bit of a nice day here. Razi's out.
Yeah, so I just had all the boot and stuff off, drained all the fuel out because it had like half a tank or something in it, so but that stuff's real old, so just drained all that, put a few litres of BP98 in it at, what is it, $3 a litre?
Sure. Just pushed it out. I guess we see if it starts.
What do you reckon, first pop?
It should do. I'd be very surprised if it doesn't start instantly. I mean, look at it.
Right.
Them old Toyotas got a quick starter too, eh? It's like, what?
They're like the 1UZs.
Yeah, those are hectic. Right.
Oh.
See how long it takes. Yep. Fuck. It was like nothing.
Yeah. That is very surprising. I thought it at least was going to crack for a little bit. Ah.
Over a year sitting.
It's trusty. Listen, it's silent too.
Yeah, it actually is real quiet idly. But this thing just barks when you get on it.
Yeah.
Like,
It's mild steel diff dump, and it is so loud, way louder than my car even.
She's trusty.
it's silent, eh? No
Yeah.
ticking or anything.
This is a healthy engine. Like I said last time.
This is quite low Ks, eh?
100,000 I think it is. Gonna have to do the cam belt soon.
Well, it's
She's
about
ready.
time we rip all that off
Yeah,
and...
get rid of all this junk. Big turbo. Screamer. Face it out.
Yeah,
There.
the old front screamer.
Yeah. Japanese style.
They're hectic out there.
Yeah, if you guys heard a front facing external waste
They
gate,
hit different.
it's like when the car's coming at you, that's all you can hear, just like
Did you raise it for transportation? It's looking higher than normal.
yeah, raised it up before I brought it here, so just didn't have any bumper scraping issues.
Is that so I can go on the ship to Australia?
It's about to go in the container, so that's the, what did they call it, power vehicles? They called it something. Transport mode.
Yeah. Because yeah, I think you used to be tucking before, eh?
Yeah, it was.
It was like down here.
Especially because what did we put in the rear for the spring rate? It was like
8, I think. 8
6 or
kg.
8,
6 or 8, yeah.
it's like super soft, like when you get on the gas it just tucks down.
Yeah. Rear bumper and skirts are on the deck when it squats down.
Yeah. This thing's a show car.
It's actually insanely tidy, eh? I honestly think this is the tidiest drift car I've seen. Without being like, you know, a brand new build, like Formula Drift build or something, but you know.
We spent so long on it, even like with the Chaser.
Just, yeah, everything's like, this is probably tidier than most street cars. Bloody mint. Give it a,
Limiter test.
yeah, give it a quick touch.
The limiter might not be working, so it's good to just test it, you know? Like,
Oh,
it has
yeah.
been a long time. She has been wanting that.
You're gonna wake up the core hunger.
Delicious, it's gonna be bad.
That's nasty. Neighbours are gonna be mad.
Fuck, I love this thing.
Imagine these things at Queensland.
Oh, yeah. That'd be so good. It's got a fast limiter, eh?
Yeah. See, mine's, with my tune, it's real slow now. Yeah, most Toyotas have got that fast limiter. Well, you know what? Probably be rude not to go for a bit of a spin in it.
I think it's time to go for a quick
You know, you gotta make sure everything's working right.
Yeah. It'd be rude not to. I've come all this way, you know. And it's gonna be in a container in a few weeks anyway, so.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta make sure it drives
Yeah, it's gotta.
so it can, you know.
It would only make sense.
What are you doing?
We out, let's go.
Ah, well, let's go. Streeto. Ah.
Well, fresh fuel. Oh, it feels good to be back in this thing.
Street car.
Yeah. Sounds like a truck.
Bloody K-Dub.
Steering's a bit fucking wandering. Ooh, she's direct. I forgot how nasty these reverse knuckles are. It actually wants to spit me.
It sounds like Japan, eh?
Yeah.
I just feel like I'm at Ebisu again. Yeah, that's a perfect spot for them, I reckon.
Yeah.
It's gonna pop.
It's like Abu Moon style. I think this is where they have these.
Oh, it'd be good if a car was in the sun, because then it'd be reflective.
Yeah.
Holographic. Yeah, it's mean. Can't really see it because the sun's not on it, but
Yeah.
is that the spot you reckon?
Yep. Back window slap.
Those ones are actually sick, eh?
Yeah, these are mean. Center. Oft. Yeah, that's sick.
Yeah, it's mean. Fuck,
Matches
it's
delivery.
hectic, man. This amount of sparkles in this
It's
paint.
the flop, eh?
Yeah, it's hectic to the eye.
But sorry, Ty, the car's not up to the Oak Tree Outlaws fitment spec yet. But once she's at QR, mate.
Not bad, not bad. It's actually very hard to believe this car lived at Ebisu for years and years and looks how it does.
So, if you guys want, scroll back and back and back in our video catalogue. Go back to the Ebisu videos and you'll see this thing there.
It was actually quite blown to bits by the end of the trip. I think we forget how far these cars have actually come. Clean, simple, effective.
Done the lot, North Course, Minami, Toge, Nagashi even.
I want to go back, eh?
Yeah.
Whoever owned it prior done like some pretty cool stuff, like, you know, just a heat shield like that, which actually would make quite a difference, you know, not blowing hot air straight to the filter and
But yeah, we've done like nothing really to this except like obviously visually,
Exterior, yeah.
stuff. But drivetrain wise, it's had absolutely nothing done.
nah, haven't touched a thing.
I've literally just changed the oil in it. That's it. I think in Japan, before it obviously went to Ebisu, I think it might have been like a half decent street car.
Mm.
It had that like fiberglass over fenders already on it.
Yeah, that was the last event. Winter last year. Pretty sick hood, eh?
Type 1 BN Sports bonnet.
Fuck.
Discontinued. No.
They'll probably be expensive, eh?
Yeah, they're expensive.
Yeah, you're lucky you got a few goodies on this
Yeah,
car.
this actually came with quite a few different things.
It'd be cool to see what this car was like before it went to Ebisu as a street car.
Yeah, I've tried looking at various different places to see if I can find it, but
Someone done a pretty good job of it and spent a lot of
Yeah.
time on it.
yeah.
Molded in wide body and all sorts. Obviously it's not this current one, but
But remember the red that it had before? You can kind of see it in the corner there, but that was quite sparkly as well. Like that would all be been close to like a
Yeah,
not
because
46V, but
you done inside the door jams there, yeah. So yeah, you can't see the old colour, but it was actually a pretty sick colour. I'd say it's almost like that valve cover there.
yeah,
Or the
just a little bit
coil
darker.
cover, yeah. It was kind of like that. Now that's hectic to think. How much did you pay for this car?
Would have been like 5 or 6 grand.
That's
And that was
crazy.
with- how many wheels did it come with? There was like 8 pairs of wheels.
Yeah.
Heaps of springs, oil, like all the stuff. Like the whole car was full of parts.
It was actually a very good car when first purchased, and I got my Cresta over there for, was that cheaper? I think that was
yours
about
cheaper.
I think mine was like 4 grand for my Cresta, so the running gear alone was way more than that. Well, in today's time anyway.
Yeah.
That was 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Just to think the prices now. That's,
But even like back then, we were humming and hurrying. We're like, oh, that's like kind of a bit much for them. Like,
yeah,
Because at the time, like we were thinking to get like Sylvias and that sort of stuff. Because
they were like 2-3 grand.
yeah, because that was our first time actually driving like a JZX as such over there. So we were like, didn't know what to expect, and
Yeah, going into it blind, really.
Yeah.
First time drifting and everything.
then just life changed.
Oh yeah, but like, I'm being honest, it's probably a 40 grand car easy now. I've seen a lot of drift cars lately getting posted up, and yeah, they're all around that, you know, clean ones, decent ones are around that 40 grand mark. So to think what we pay for these compared to now, only a few years later, is just crazy. Take us back to the good old days. Oh well, back in the shed it goes until it needs to be transported to the port.
Oh, by the time this video comes out, it'll already be underwater.
Oh, you can see it there now. Did you have to do anything with the battery when you started it? Was it disconnected?
But like crazy to
Dick.
think, like most cars, you know, you think that have been sitting for 12 months or so, like they just don't start.
Oh, that's a
like that.
long
Yeah.
time. Even, you know, a couple months. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of seeing the Mark II again. It's been a hot minute. Drop some comments below what you think we should do while Gaz is back. But otherwise, this car probably won't see it again until, I don't know, I guess it goes to Aussie, or I don't really think we've got any events planned here anymore. We've missed them, and yeah, I guess that's about it. Chuck a like, and see you in the next one.